What's up, guys? Your boy JC here, Broke Boys Club. Last week I did a quick video update on what we have going on in the garage, updates on the cars and all that, and I briefly mentioned we were gonna get to work and get started on organizing this garage a little better. I did a quick short tour of the garage last week, but it wasn't very in-depth, and this is what it looks like when you have the garage door shut and you're inside. That's all we have for lighting, is that dinky, I don't know, warm LED light up there. So it is a single car garage. Right now it's a mess, and I've got a few plans. We're gonna do some lighting, but today we're just gonna try to get it a little bit more organized, starting with really taking advantage of the small space that we have. So first order of business, I think a good idea is to clear the sides of any clutter, just so we feel a bit more comfortable and the space feels, you know, bigger. Clear all these bags away, like all this junk, everything that doesn't belong in the garage, like things that can be put in the shed, like the shovels and the rakes and all that. We're gonna move out. Got my coffee in hand. Let's get to work. Alright, so how are we doing for progress? That's one side of the garage that's been decluttered. So now we're gonna work on this side of the garage. So again, point is to take all the stuff off the walls to make the workspace. Oh, and the floors are important too, so that the workspace seems wider, or just feels wider. Alright, so this side looking a lot better. Just have to sweep the floor here, but for the most part this is pretty good. That's right, some of you haven't seen the Mark II in a while. It's been sleeping, pulled out the battery. It's on battery tender right now. Made a short video about it a while back, check that out. What you're seeing here is the old entertainment console that the previous owners of the house used to have in the living room. We're gonna turn this into a work table, and we're gonna put it right here at the far end of the garage. So we ran into a small problem I didn't anticipate because I wasn't measuring the whole time. Tried to put this against that wall, but it was covering the outlets up. So I guess we're just gonna throw it on this side. Really would have wanted it against this wall. Maybe I still will move it against this wall and just move this outlet somewhere else. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, I will just throw pegboards here. We gotta unbox that new tool cabinet. If it's small enough, I might just put it inside where that compartment is. So, alright, let's check it out. So I brought this inside the garage. Pretty small, but still thankful to have it. Probably gonna throw it under these shelves, I'm thinking, because I'm planning to maybe just throw the shop vac under here, because it's so ugly, like leaving it exposed out here in the garage. That's the shop vac right there. So I'm planning to throw this under these shelves. And yeah, as you can see, I've gotten all this stuff off the Golf, and mostly on the workbench. Thinking about getting rid of this door though. It serves no purpose really. Kind of just being a bit of an annoyance. Alright, lots better without the door. Sweet. Alright, so update, with the garage door closed, this is what the workspace looks like with the current lighting situation. So again, we're going to throw up some T5s in the spring, probably 6 of them up here after we paint the ceiling and some of the walls. And yeah, but that's what it looks like right now. Gotta catch my breath here. I'm just curious as to how much of the engine bay we're able to see. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, that's not bad. Not bad at all. We can actually get one of those under the hood LED bars thing. That my uncle has one of them in a previous video, and it goes around the hood like that. You're able to see the hood a lot better. But this ain't too bad. Here's what I'm seeing from where I was standing. Yeah, that's not bad for lighting at all. So, good stuff. Thanks, wifey, for the work light. So let's get to work on some shelves. We were able to salvage this many nails from just prying some unused nails from either side of the garage. And look how much material we have left over to make shelves with on this side of the garage. But yeah, let's get to work. It's pretty simple. So you use 4 of these guys as kind of pegs for your plank to sit on. And yeah, we just cut these planks to fit and turn them into shelves. Like so. By the way, just a quick shout out to this old space heater. I know in the previous video I was complaining about having to get a new one, but right now this thing is doing its job in this little space. Warming up my butt pretty good. Ran out of nails, but that's pretty good. So there's 4 shelves now. Could make a couple more. I realized that this material is pretty flimsy. Probably better with like real wood there. Put anything with weight on there and it'll start to flex, but not too bad. These are empty, that's why this isn't flexing much. The grill, I'm gonna put it on there, but I'm gonna need like a ladder to put on there. But yeah guys, don't let anybody tell you that something can't be done. A lot of people try to tell me that a single car garage is too small to get work done in, but if there's a will, there's a way. So always remember that. We're not done yet. Another idea that will really free up space here is to get rollers, which are roller dollies basically that go underneath the car. You throw the car on top and you can move the car from side to side in the garage. It'll really free up more space on the sides, allow you to get more work done. But yeah, anyways, fake it till you make it. God bless. Peace.